Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. This is our first video. We're gonna be posting a lot of videos in the coming weeks, months, years, I don't know. Just some explanation, we are not your average chicken salad. We are professional chefs bringing you some tips and tricks from a professional kitchen to your home. Today on the menu it's eggs, all about eggs. We're gonna transform this normal egg into this preserved one. How are we gonna do it? It's some easy steps. I'll explain to you in a second. Okay, first things first, our ingredients for today. We got some salt, some regular sea salt, and some eggs, some free-range eggs on the right hand side. We got a dehydrator. We're gonna use it a lot in the coming videos. If you don't have a dehydrator at home, it's no problem. You can use your oven as well. Just put it on like 40 degrees and we can start cooking. For the first step, we're gonna take the sea salt, put a nice layer on the bottom of the plate, spread it nice and even, so we can put our egg yolks on top of the salt. For this technique we're only using the egg yellows, so we're gonna start separating them. But first we're gonna do something with the eggs itself. We're gonna make like 3 little holes inside of the sea salt. The holes are for the egg yellows, so they cannot run everywhere. Very simple, you just start cracking the eggs and putting the egg yolks inside of the holes. Next we're gonna put on another layer of sea salt on top of the eggs. Be very gently when you put the salt on the eggs because it can burst. So put it nice and gently, first all around and then on top. Make sure every yellow is nicely covered with some sea salt. It's very important. So when we're done covering our eggs with sea salt, we're gonna put our plate in the fridge for like overnight, so give it 8 to 10 hours and then we'll come back and see what it does. Alright, we're 10 hours later, so this is how our eggs are looking. What happened is the salt took out all of the moisture from our egg yolks and this is what is left over. It's gonna be a little bit harder, it's gonna be like the structure of a wine gum. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna wash our egg yolks and put them in the dehydrator to get all the moisture out of the eggs. Very handy if you open up your dehydrator first, so you don't have to do some crazy shit with your hands. Give your egg yolks a pretty nice wash. Make sure that every particle of salt is from the egg. It's very important. Otherwise your eggs are going to be too salty when you are using them. You will see there's a little skin on top of the eggs. You can take it off as well when you're washing it with your hands. Then we're going to power up our dehydrator and give it 3 to 4 hours in the dehydrator. So after 4 hours, this is what our eggs will look like in our dehydrator. I'll show you in a second. You will see and feel that the eggs are completely dry right now. They have a texture of like chewing gum. We can do whatever we want with it. It will not burst or will not be runny anymore on the inside. How you can use it is very simple. You can just grate it with a grater, like an old cheese. You can replace every old cheese with this eggs. It's very simple, it's a lot of flavor, a lot of umamis, rich, deep flavors, a little bit salty, especially nice in pastas or vegetable dishes. We'll give an example in the next video. make an asparagus dish, and we'll finish it off with these egg yolks. What you can do as well with the eggs is try and get it through the pasta machine. It's really nice. You just gotta squeeze it a little bit so it's a little bit thinner. Then you will get it perfectly through the machine. And you can make like a piece of sheets of egg yolk. They're very nice. You'll see. They look transparent, so you can put them on top of a piece of fish, some asparagus, stuff like that, to make it look very awesome. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. We're putting a lot of content out in the coming weeks. If you like it, please support us by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you very much. See you next time.